Hello guys, welcome to the first official video of the Tech Shift session. So this is where I share with you like my day-to-day work experience using some of the software tools and so on. So I'll be basically like working. Hello guys, and welcome to the first official Tech Shift video. So today I'll be editing my Googlesite website. Okay, so now this website is actually like a copy from the other one that I did. It's for a how exchange, or no, it's for a how website actually. So it's for my other channel. So this one, I'm actually trying to change it to fit this particular channel sim questions. So I've done a couple of articles. I've generated a couple of articles. The first one was this one, right? And I'm trying to generate more articles. Now, one thing that I need to do also is to add an equity store, but again, I haven't really created one. So I want to add this store to my Google site. Probably on the tops, I don't know, maybe next to about us or something like that. Now, what I want to do is that for people that visit my sites to, if they want to buy something, then they can actually purchase something here. So I'll display my products here. So I'm going to create my equity store. I don't know after, I don't know when, but in the near future, probably tomorrow. So which article is next? Now it's this one, right? So okay, on this one, I need to change this. Okay, this title. It says Filmora animated video. Okay, fine. I think this one is Filmora animated video. All right, creating, I don't know what I can create. I think I can. No, let me do this. Let me come to this part. Let me go back here. And so I need the actual video, then I can create at least like an article from that particular video. So I think this is the video. I'll simply go and create and kind of click it. Now this will open the video. Then first of all, let me kind of copy the link because I need to put it. Yeah, okay. I think I'm usually allow it somewhere. Then I create my scroll the other side. So I think I have to scroll down here. Here, that's where I need to replace this video because, as I've said, like this is I took this this website is actually an example that I copied, kind of duplicated it. So paste the link here. So I have to paste the link, and then I need the actual video, which is this one. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't know why it took that long. Come on, Filmora animated. Okay, animated. Sorry, I did animated video. I think this one will work well. Okay, yeah, I think I did. It's about this video. Check out this video I made about how to animate a video using Filmora. Okay, I also know how to animate, so this is a good spelling. Yeah. Filmora 13. Oh, sorry, 13. I think I should be doing this. Filmora 13. Okay. Okay, I think this should do. Everything that it should do. Then I need the subtitles. Then I think from here, okay, let me look at this. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, fine. Let me remove the... I don't know if I should remove these tags or something like that. Okay. Let me select all, then copy. Then I will paste it here. So what I want to do is to write an article using this text, this script. So what I want to do is to actually write an article using this transcript. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this dictate and simply tell what you call the tell ChatGPT what to do, right? Please create an article for me using the following script and make sure that it is SEO optimized. Then I've clicked on this part. So it will generate what do you call this? Okay, now this is what I want to do. So it's a detection. So I think it's actually easy for rather than typing. So the dictate button is actually much easier now. This is something that I found out like it's amazing. So I say please create an article for me using the following script and make sure that it is SEO optimized. So I will say transcript transcript something like that. Yeah, sure that it is SEO optimized. Okay. Using the transcript, not the following, since it is above. So what I'm going to do is to copy this. Okay. So as you can see, it's now generating an article. So what I love about this is that most of the article itself is unique. So you don't actually need to write or something like that. You can actually record. If let's say you have got a video, if done your research, probably you can actually generate an article, a unique article using a transcript. So that is why AI is amazing, right? I'm able to generate my unique articles this way. So it's done. So I copy, then I have to come here, and then I have to do this. Okay, paste it here. All right. I think this is nice. So again, I always do these things, but again, I need to expand and basically show you how I do other things. I'll be doing designing in the following days. So I'll create more designing videos on the tech shift session. I'll share with you a lot of things, right? Okay, then I think it's nice there. So as you can see, you can actually read it to try and at least ensure that it is actually accurate. Okay. I think I have to do more for this video. Final thoughts. I think I need to delete this part. Now it's done. So all you need to do is to place a cursor here. Then you scroll upwards. Then you simply say shift. Then you do this highlight thing. Then you turn it to quicksand. Okay, which is nice. Cancel. No. So this one must be 23. So make sure that you take note of all these things. There you have your article. Now you can actually put links on some of these tags, right? Like I say, if you want to put a link where people can download Filmora. Now for now, um, I'm looking for other affiliate things to put here. Now we check here. For now, I've got these affiliate programs, but I want to add a store, like a shop, all right? An Upwork store. I'm going to do that with time. So I think I'm done with this part article, with this part right now. So I'm left with this particular one. I don't know if I did this one. Let me see. Nope, I didn't do anything. So on screen recorder. Okay, I'm on screen recorder. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this one. Let me see if I can do this one faster. Then I'm going to do this one for today. I think it's late now. I need to sleep. So what's tomorrow? I need to go somewhere. Okay. Okay, I'm screen recorder. Okay. Screen recorder. And then let me check. I think let me go to this video, discard, and go to the next one. Where is this one? I think this is just this one. Yeah, there's a. Okay, then I need to copy this particular link. I think I'm left with a few, I think 2 or so. I think I'm going to do, yeah, I might do them all. Let me check. Let me see what challenges I have, because this is actually a new site, so I don't have much videos. But again, I think from what I've done, so far so good actually, is much more easier. It just made things easier. All I need to do is to duplicate and maybe create a new article. So you can generate as many articles as you can. This way, unique articles, in fact. And to tell the truth, I do have a lot of readers. Now, the problem with this Google site is that you can't run pop-up ads, so you can't generate money like that. You need to generate it through affiliate, which is a little bit difficult. So check out this video I did. Okay, now check out this. Uh, okay. 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 Okay, delete this. I have to delete this part. Oh, I think I'm fine. I think for this part I need okay. I need to grab this screenshot. Right. Okay. Paste. Oh no. Copy. Music. Oh, come on. Maybe it will generate. Let me see. Okay, I think it just does. Hmm. Let me delete this. Okay, pardon. Then I think it would work for me. It would work well. It will work well. I think this one. No, I think this one will be the last article that I do. I'll complete these ones maybe off the record. Off the record. Okay. Right. So I think this one is done. Let me check just I don't know if I should um include these icons. I don't know. But I don't think this all is good. Yeah, but again it's a website, so it's expected. So let me do this and then quick send. So I think it's nice. Okay, so I think it's nice. I think everything is nice like this. Yeah, I think I'm done. And yeah, it does well. It does look well. So you have to kind of proofread this thing to ensure that it is accurate, and so that you don't have any issues like with people just giving people things that are not proofread or something like that. So it is important because ChatGPT might make a couple of mistakes then there, but actually correct it. So guys, that's it for today, for this session, and thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.